That one's from the good old Musical Chairs record. If you've never checked that one out, that's our third record. And then we put out a covers record called Scattered, Smothered, and Covered. And we'd like to play you one from that one right now.
Well, I hope that I don't fall in love with you. Falling in love just makes me weak. Well, the music plays and you display a part for me to see. Had a beer and now I hear you calling out for me. And I hope that I don't fall in love with you. Well, the room is crowded, people everywhere. And I wonder, should I offer you a chair? Well, I turn around and look at you. You light a cigarette. I wish I had the guts to bum one, but we never met. And I hope that I don't fall in love with you. See, the night does funny things inside a man. These old top cat feelings you don't understand. Well, I turn around and look at you, and you look back at me. The guy you with, he's up and split the chair next to you's free. And now I hope that you don't fall in love with me. Well, it's closing time. The music's fading out. Last call for drinks, I'll have another stop. Well, I turn around and look at you. You're nowhere to be found. I search the place for your lost face, 'cause I'll have another round. Now I think that I just fell in love with you.